Watu wavurugane. Watu wavurugane.
Ati you can be friends with your ex.
Never ever.
Ati it's good.
Watu wavurugane.
Mimi ningie kwa club nipate ex wako. My ex there, I'll tell the bouncer, listen, it's either me or him.
One of us. This
Only
club
one.
is not enough for both of us.
Moja atoke and I'm off and then not you're not going to pick me.
Please.
Naomba.
It is either I leave
or he leaves.
He leaves.
But
and most of his hey. Anyway, things are changing. We have to agree. Things are changing. But I always try so much to avoid anywhere or any place where I think I'll meet my ex or anything. Tukiwachana tumeachana, usiniongele, wachana na mimi. Go on with your life. Leave me alone.
Relax.
Leave me alone. You can't have wasted my time.
Made me cry.
Playing with my heart. Ugeuza roho yangu kama mahindi kwa buchari. Unazungusha unapima.
And then we break up and it's okay.
Then we are okay at you, babe. How are you?
I'm good, babe. How are you?
Hey.
How's your recovery?
Do not babe me.
No, I was just
and
checking on you.
No, don't.
You know I care.
I'm okay.
But honestly, an amicable breakup, it can be okay.
Watu wavurugane wakiwachana. Watu wavurugane. Paka town ijue. But naweza kukuvuruga wewe.
Ati paka we become friends. Ati babe, this is my new boyfriend.
That is.
New boyfriend, this is my ex.
Listen, that is one thing that can always lead you guys to get back. This are the friendship at your friend with your ex or anything. Your people of shared blanket of you understand? Mtapatikana tu kwa kona pali tu siku moja sitiacha. But then mutalewa nini? Oh, you know, babe. Ebu sasa when
he doesn't understand me.
So when ex wangu na tumelewa. Tuko Onyx.
Okay.
Kwanza tumeshikwa.
Aki babe, lakini you know.
Tumeshikwa. So tuko kwa cell. Okay. So we are starting to get to know each other again.
Babe,
so tutawachwa by the tutawachwa sana ni usiku.
Kevin left me. This baby alihepa.
Oh, he left you. And baby, I was telling you, you leaving me going to this Akina Kevo. You don't know what life is out there.
You know, it's true. You've always been there for me, babe.
I kept telling you and you didn't rest.
You see, you understand me.
Do you have some 3Gs up or what?
Oh, this is why we broke up. I remember.
All right, let me just
I remember. You are such a cheapskate.
Let me just pay.
Cheapskate.
Let me just pay to talk
I don't want your money.
No.
And I'll pay for myself. Hata nitalipia yako.
Okay,
see, I knew this is why I left this useless man.
So ndio nimelipia polisi. Babe, to talk hapa.
Niko na njaa, soup, babe, soup.
Let's go for soup.
Ile place.
I see they are closed now. Let's go to make soup in my house.
No, unajua kutengeneza soup.
Kumbe wewe ndio soup.
But honestly, is there anything like an amicable breakup?
You can't. Watu wavurugane.
It's not possible.
When you're done.
Because even if it's amicable now, later
I like by the way, I like you.
Why?
I like you.
You like me?
You know why? Wewe ukiwacha mtu umemwacha ni kuvurugana.
Sasa zingine atajua ameachwa, ameshangaa tu what?
Jesus! Hakuna kuachana rahisi. Watu wakiwachana wavurugane.